In a rain-soaked city alley, a weathered 1986 Toyota pickup waits under buzzing neon with rain glistening on its chrome. An AI curator selects forbidden schematics, her fingers tracing nano-mesh panels while sparks whisper approval. With a thunderclap, robotic limbs unfold, monster wheels lock and a carbon cyclone engine hums to life. The truck strides through a neon corridor, surfaces ripple into armor and holographic dashboards bloom around the cab. A final drift into the camera frame seals its fate as the street's unpredictable courier of tomorrow, ready to outrun gravity itself.